Let's learn about using idioms in the IELTS speaking test. One of the most common questions IELTS candidates ask is, do I need to use idioms in order to get a high score for IELTS speaking? The short answer is that if you want to get a band 7 or higher, then yes, you do. However, the real answer is not so simple. It is true that, in order to achieve a band 7 or higher for lexical resource, you need to show that you can use some less common vocabulary and idioms in your answers. However, it's very important that you use idioms and advanced vocabulary accurately. It's much better to use basic vocabulary accurately than advanced vocabulary inaccurately. If you use idioms inaccurately, and this makes it difficult for the examiner to understand what you are trying to say, then the examiner may give you only a band 5 for lexical resource.